Hello everyone. Today I'm going to dive into how to create a sub account in GoHighLevel. If you're new to GoHighLevel, then you might be thinking what exactly is GoHighLevel sub account. So don't worry. Think of it as a mini office or mini account within the GoHighLevel agency account, in which each sub account has its own workspace to manage your clients separately. For example, if you're running a marketing agency, then you would know that each client has their own unique needs, unique goals, and GoHighLevel sub account lets you customize everything for each of your client. So basically, it's going to be a game changer for you to keep everything organized and customized for each of your client. Alright, so let's start creating the sub account in GoHighLevel. First of all, go to sub account and click on add sub account button. Here you will see a lot of snapshots. Now snapshots are basically pre-written settings and automations that you can use for your marketing campaigns. For example, if your client is a bookkeeper, then you can select this snapshot to import a complete setup of campaigns, workflows, and templates for your client. But if your client has some specific requirements, then you can select the blank snapshot and customize everything for your client. So for now, I will skip the pre-written snapshots to show you guys how you can start with blank snapshot. Now, once you click the blank snapshot, you have two options. The first one is you can simply enter your client's business or company name, and GoHighLevel will automatically pull in the information from the public database to fill in the sub-account details. And the second option is to add account manually inside the GoHighLevel. And I'm going to go with the second option and I will click on add account manually. Now here you will enter your client's information like his name, then email address. Then you will enter general information like business name, address. Now we will enter city, country, then business niche, state. Then we will provide the phone number, and the website of the client company, and time zone. Now time zone is super important because there's going to be a lot of different automations that you can set up according to the time zone that you will select inside the GoHighLevel sub account. Now once you put in all of the information, click save. Then it will take you to sub account management section from the agency dashboard. Here you can see account information and the general information that you just added in the previous step. You can also add your client's social profiles if you want. Also, you can add notes and tasks for your sub account. Now, if you want to navigate to the sub account that you just created, then you can simply click on switch to sub account button or click on sub account and select the sub account. And here we are inside the sub account that we just created. Now, if you want to switch to the agency view, simply click here and that's it. So this is how you will create a client sub account inside the GoHighLevel. So once you create the sub account inside the GoHighLevel, our next step is to set up a user account or our client account inside our already created sub account. This will allow our client to access our GoHighLevel, where he will be able to see his leads and engage with the prospect and use the GoHighLevel features for his business. So for that, first of all you need to do is go to the sub account where you want to set up your user account. So I'm going to click on the sub account that we just created, and then we will go into the settings section and click on staff. And here you will click on add an employee button. This will bring up the next section where you will enter all the details of your client. So I'm going to enter the client's information. So first of all, we will enter the client's name. Let's say the client's name is John Doe. Then we will enter the client's email. That can be johndoe@gmail.com. Next, we will enter the phone number of our client. Then we will click on advanced setting to set up a password which our client or user can use to access to our GoHighLevel. Next, you will customize your permission settings. For example, if you want your client to see and manage leads, but do not want to show the advanced features like workflows or social planners, then you can adjust these settings here. Next, we will click on user roles, and here we will select the user option, not an admin option, because we don't want our client to access to other admin settings like workflows, planners, and other advanced features. Next, we have voicemail settings, which you can use based on your client's preference. Otherwise, you can leave it as it is. Then you can play with availability settings. For example, if your client is available on Monday to Friday but is not available on Saturday and Sunday, then you can adjust it here. And finally, click on Save Settings button to complete the setup process. And that's it. We have created our client's user account inside our GoHighLevel sub account. If you have any queries about the GoHighLevel, you can ask in the comment section. For now, thank you so much for your time. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.